This training video walks you through how to remove and replace the sensor assembly for your ARES 620 device. Use the 2 screwdriver slots on the bottom of the ARES 620 to pry loose the bottom edge of the sensor. Do not use the center slot as that opening is the microphone port. Release the sensor from the body of the ARES 620, taking care not to stress the flex circuit that connects the 2 assemblies. Using the pry tool, carefully disconnect the flex circuit from the connector in the ARES 620 body. Set the old sensor aside. Installing, or reconnecting, the new, or existing sensor assembly. Connect the flex circuit of the new sensor to the ARES 620. Make sure the flex circuit is facing as shown in the image. Line up the connector with the one on the ARES 620, before using gentle finger pressure to snap the new connection in place. Slide the center section of the new sensor pad under the lip of the cannula lure connector. Then snap together the 2 outer clips on the top side of the ARES 620. One of these clips is near the USB connector. The other is on the other end of the top surface. Now, push the lower section of the sensor onto the body of the ARES. Check to ensure there are no gaps between the sensor and device body, on all sides. If the sensor is not secured completely, it could result in separation and disconnection. After the sensor is installed, press the center button on the ARES 620 to start a sleep test. Check to make sure the 2 LEDs light up red when the study begins. This is an indication that the sensor is connected properly. If you do not see both LEDs light up, repeat the sensor installation process. Make sure that the flex circuit is not loose and is properly connected to the ARES 620. Thanks for using Watermark Medical.